Walking is one of the simplest forms of exercise, yet it offers a treasure trove of health benefits. If you're looking for a way to enhance your physical and mental well-being, incorporating daily walks into your routine may be the answer. Recent research highlights a fascinating connection: walking can help prevent low back pain. Let's explore why making walking a daily habit is beneficial to both your body and mind. The back pain breakthrough. A recent study published in the Lancet has shed light on the positive impact of walking on back pain management. Participants who engaged in a 30-minute walk 5 times a week, along with receiving behavioral coaching, reported fewer instances of recurring back pain. They also took less time off work and had fewer medical appointments for pain-related issues. Remarkably, those who maintained regular walking after experiencing back pain remained pain-free, nearly twice as long compared to non-walkers. Dr. Cedric Bryant, President and Chief Science Officer of the American Council on Exercise, emphasizes that walking is an ideal option in terms of physical activity. It's accessible to everyone, requires no special skills, and is safe for most individuals, making it an excellent choice for enhancing your overall health. The physical advantages. Walking benefits numerous bodily systems, making it a crucial part of a healthy lifestyle. Here are some of the key physical benefits you can gain from walking regularly. Heart health improves cardiovascular function and reduces heart disease risk. Aerobic capacity increases endurance and fitness levels. Blood pressure helps regulate blood pressure levels. Diabetes management aids in controlling blood sugar and lowering diabetes risk. Metabolism boosts metabolic rate and assists with weight management. Joint health reduces the risk of osteoarthritis and maintains mobility. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services recommends 150 to 300 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise weekly. Committing to 30 minutes of brisk walking 5 days a week puts you right on track. If weight loss is your goal, consider gradually increasing your walking time to 45 to 60 minutes most days. The mental boost. Walking isn't just good for your body, it also works wonders for your mental health. Dr. Mark A. Slabaugh, an orthopedic sports medicine surgeon, points out that walking outdoors allows you to decompress and refocus. Being in nature can help clear your mind and enhance creativity. Many people find that stepping away from their desks or daily routines to walk can spark new ideas or solutions to problems. Additionally, socializing during walks can provide an extra boost to your mental health. Whether you're walking with a friend or family member, the combination of movement and conversation can elevate your mood. Building a walking routine. If you're ready to make walking a habit, here are some tips to help you get started. Start small. Begin with short walks around your neighborhood. Gradually increase your distance as you become more comfortable. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge the positive changes that come from walking regularly, such as improved mood or increased energy levels. Keep it fresh. Change your routes, invite friends, or listen to podcasts or music while you walk. Mix things up by adding intervals or upper body movements for added variety. Indoor alternatives on rainy or extremely hot days. Consider an indoor walking routine to keep your steps going. Incorporating regular walks into your daily routine can significantly enhance your physical and mental health. From preventing back pain to improving cardiovascular health and boosting creativity, the benefits are undeniable. So lace up your shoes, step outside, and enjoy the journey toward better health one step at a time.